Today I'm going to be answering a question we get asked a lot at V12, which is, can I wear two insoles in my safety boots? Now, a good insole brings comfort, so some understandably think, well, more insoles, more comfort. Well, that might be true for casual footwear like trainers, but when it comes to safety boots, definitely not the case, and here's why. So, you have your insole here. If you were to add another insole, your foot would move higher up in the boot. Now, this is a problem because when a toe cap is tested, there has to be a set amount of space between the toe cap and the toes. This is called the protective clearance height. Now, if the toe cap was to get pushed down or crushed in the event of an accident and another insole makes the foot higher, well then the toes will be higher and nearer, so they could get crushed by the very thing that's supposed to be protecting them. Another problem with a second insole and a higher foot in your safety boot is with the heel. Now a heel should sit about here, contoured and supported by the material. Now if a second insole pushed it higher up, it would be about here. Now as you can see from the design, this material is kind of going inwards, it's narrowing, so the heel would be rubbing and chafing against this material. It shouldn't be here, ideally, it should be sat down here. This rubbing or chafing can cause blisters, and if you're in your safety boots for 8 hours or more a day, that's going to be a very painful experience. So a second insole sounds like a comfortable solution, but actually can have the opposite effect. Another reason why we really don't recommend a second insole is because if a footbed is placed on top of an insole that's required to have a level of electrical resistance, well, the anti-static properties can be seriously compromised and cancelled out. Now, this could leave the wearer vulnerable to shocks, malfunctioning equipment, so in this scenario, a very big safety concern. Finally, when you make a step, you actually push off with your toes, but on two insoles, well, there's going to be too much padding, so your joints can suffer. Imagine walking on sand or walking on a really soft mattress all day. Sounds like a comfortable experience, but actually eventually it would be unstable for the toes, energy sapping, and quite painful for your joints. So there you have it. Quite a few safety and comfort reasons why wearing two insoles in your safety boots is definitely not an idea we'd recommend. For more information on our safety boots and insole solutions, visit v12footwear.com.